No relatives and gifts are allowed for Virat and Anushka's baby. The Indian skipper and wifey Anushka Sharma has welcomed their first child, a baby girl, on 11th of January. As per reports, Anushka Sharma has given birth to their little munchkin, Little Angel, at the Breach Candy Hospital of Mumbai. Virat Kohli took his social media account on Monday to announce about the arrival of their little daughter. Through his post, Virat even let people know that Anushka and their newborn little angel are healthy and doing fine. The Indian skipper has also requested people to give them privacy at this moment. But a shocking news has recently come forward that not a single relative is allowed where Anushka is admitted. But why such a strict action is taken at the hospital? Let us find out the reason behind such a decision. Recently, some reports have come out that couple is not allowing even their close relatives to visit them at the hospital. Virat and Anushka have even decided not to accept any kind of flowers or gifts at the hospital. The security is so tight at the Anushka's room that the nearby rooms and other hospital staffs are not even allowed to get a sneak peek also. But why have they kept such a tight security at the hospital? Why this decision is taken? Well, undoubtedly, Virat Kohli and Anushka are one of the most powerful couples in India. And there is a huge curiosity among the people to get just one glimpse of their daughter's face. But the couple has decided to maintain a privacy regarding their child, and they do not want their child to be treated specially. Which is why they have kept the security too tight so that no images can get leaked online. Also, looking at the current situation of coronavirus, they have also made the decision of not letting people to enter Anushka Sharma's room. The hospital on their part has strictly instructed the staff who have the access to enter the room not to click pictures. As per reports, the couple has also arranged a backdoor exit for the couple so that they could avoid the paparazzi at the gate. What are your thoughts about their privacy around their baby? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.